This is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Dhiman. Our today's topic is Air Around Us. It's part 4. Mechanism of rainfall and monitoring weather conditions. Let's start. So look here in the picture. First of all, the sun heat, it evaporates water and also heats up air, and the air rises up to the high atmosphere, and there it cools down, okay, due to the low temperature there. Okay, then after what happens, there are water vapors in the air. They condenses into tiny droplets, okay, and in the course of time they join together and form clouds, okay. And what happens, due to further cooling, those tiny drops, they join together and form larger droplets, and then after they become heavy, and these clouds, they cannot hold them, and then after they fall down in the form of rainwater or snowfall, okay, or in the form of snow. It depends upon the condition of the atmosphere of that area. If it will be very cold, then there will be snowfall. If it will be normal, then rainfall. Okay, I hope everything is clear to you with the help of this diagram. Mechanism of rainfall. The hot air rises high, as I had told you in our previous lecture. Heated air rises high, then after there is low temperature in the high atmosphere, so that hot air cools down there, and the water vapors which are present there in the air, they condenses into tiny drops of water, right, or crystals of ice. It depends upon the rate of cooling there. Then after they join together and form clouds, okay. Then after there is further cooling, and those tiny drops, they join together and form larger droplets, and now there are larger droplets or larger crystals of ice. They become heavy now. When they join together, they become heavy, and air cannot hold them now, so they fall down as rainfall or snowfall. It depends upon the atmospheric temperature of the region. If the temperature will be very low, then there will be snowfall. If it will be normal, then there will be rainfall. I hope up to here everything is clear to you. Now rainfall is very important, because it brings water to the earth, and water, you know, it is very essential for the survival of mankind or all kinds of life on the earth. If the rainfall is very low, then there are droughts. If it is excessive, then there are floods, okay. So scary or low rainfall causes droughts, and excessive rainfall causes floods. Now the questions that you have to attempt here: why do the air cools down in the high temperature? Because there is low temperature. Next question: define mechanism of rainfall with the help of diagram. So diagram I have given in the previous slide, and you can define from here to here, okay. The water vapor present in the air condenses into tiny droplets of water or crystals of ice, and then after they join together form clouds, and due to further cooling they join to form larger droplets, and then after they become heavy and air cannot hold them, so they fall down in the form of rainfall or snowfall, right. So this is the mechanism of rainfall. What causes droughts or floods? So low or scary rainfall causes droughts, and excessive rainfall causes floods. Next we have monitoring of weather conditions. So weather and climate, they are two different things. You must know the difference between these two. The state of atmosphere, weather is the state of atmosphere, but climate is atmospheric condition, right? It is the atmosphere, but it is the atmospheric condition. Now the important difference, it includes temperature, pressure and humidity, but this includes temperature, pressure and rainfall. So this is the difference, humidity and rainfall. And this is the most important, it is for a specific place and for a short period of time, and climate is for larger area and over a long period of time. Okay, and it may change place to place. Suppose in Kangu it is raining, but it is possible in Hamirpur there will be sun. Okay, and this is the condition, this is same for climate, is same for a larger area. For example, a country, continent, a state. Okay, this is the climate of a country, a state, a continent, means a larger area, right? As example, India's climate is monsoonal climate. Now, so here India's climate is monsoonal, not monsoon, monsoonal. Differentiate between weather and climate, so you can write from here. This is for 5 marks. Which type of climate India has? So it is monsoonal. Here is spelling mistakes corrected, monsoonal. Now the homework for you, write and learn all the questions, revise the topic, test yourself, improve writing and reading and writing skill. And for the parents, keep taking oral test, keep guiding and motivating the child. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.